In this video, you will learn how to compare items in your Amazon cart fast and easy. Open the Amazon app or website. Start by launching the Amazon app on your phone or visiting the Amazon website on your browser. Sign into your account. Enter your email and password to access your Amazon account. Then go to cart. Tap or click on the cart icon in the top right corner of your screen to view all of your saved items. Open the product pages in a new tab. Right-click on each item and open it as a new tab so you can view details like price, specification, reviews, side by side. Use to compare with similar items option. On each product page, scroll down and click on compare with similar items to view the Amazon's built-in comparison table. Decide and update your cart. After comparing, choose your preferred item or remove or save the later for your cart. Now you know how to compare items in your Amazon cart easy and fast. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.